on the Sava temple la jigle imba. The temple di penyin joyerle so. This chita so. That the le de pora gaindo. Temple di penyin joyerle sungi bula. The bula pora jigawra. Yes, yeah. Pay chimbo to Sava temple like do. Yeah. See the temple.
It's more important taking them.
Yeah. So let's go inside. Sava temple. The temple in it like do that. Sangma sergi sugure sungi the Virgin Mary Jesus dichi de right. Ani sufutu de che. See the
And of course, the most important and central picture in the architecture is the picture of
the Jesus Christ. Yeah.
And he's represented in a traditional pose of the master. As you can see, he wears red robes.
Traditional pose of the master la sugar ki portrait dress ungi.
Government upon his shoulder. So that is it. And you can also see that his hands are put in the traditional position.
Kashegi de la church lagido, Kashegi ne the temple lagido. Tachidan tiani kunzo temple tisha. The sida, fetchimbo chera. Ninjo, Samaganga gold plated resungi. And shooting the mass in the whole Saja, the basement. Ninjo chera. Samacha do. See that. Wow. Ganga Siona. Ninjo chera. It's beautiful. See that. Comes a guide to shadow.
You can see Prince Lazar. Now, who was Prince Lazar? As you remember the story, before we entered the church, that the Serbian medieval state eventually was conquered by the Turks. But historically, it was a gradual process.
The Serbian church and the Serbian history according to their history concept the pen shirelas. Ani thanda the church the dedicate chigirishya church gold plated check and the mass this the cookie the church the Saint Sabat la dedicate chirisungi and Saint Sabat the namsa mombu chuge diresha Saint Sabat ani desia penin juche ani de 당은서 데 사와라 안슈마 애드레스 야고 키네 용거도 먼저 사진 로가지가 티자 다 꼬라게 신델레서 다 보드 민두라 페제 추르치기지는 보치기였어래 다 딜라 치신 트라이치아이 당원서 탄다 꼬라게 데타 시티 다울라 데 샬라쳐서 망고도 다데 데모치다 아니 다 인도 보드 라이더기 레랑 말란라 다 어딘데샤 라세 타 데시로나 the Koragari, Gangza sound, Shapang sound. Anzura Tandadi Kalag boat ride mischisa. Hey, how are you?
A little bit tired.
You're a little bit tired. You too. Once there's such a Shembachi less of the fortress than the Ganda see the Sajang Jodo. Boat ride I know it's very very pretty. So blessing in disguise do shasta ngonzo boat mischira. I know it's very pretty out here. Yes, see the gablo there. Castle do chira and ganga the church did do. Come on, the port again. Wow. Ta the siruna. Penning jo chira. Ani such a bit song chira. Ani meetings are friendly do. Watching do. Yani sa kunzo ike machine inji kengi mangu do. Ta dire do. Manso the port again. The konzo the manicured garden do the penguin jo chira garden. Asli pora gede the khala sasde khala sasde. Midin the shazar da hawa khaza do de. Sida na konzo dinner sa de. The building jo de ta do ini jam sudah di dalam building se the sagang chi dura monument la nera tang manzo khunzo ikhala sago sam sagang ninjo do ani de nyanzo ki table de re khunzo rang ikhala sago sam khunzo longbal le ra Serbia gi longbal le de khunzo rang ikhala sa indo ta di khunzo longba ikhala de sha nga thang ma sum sto sa sa the bacon wrap chigur se bula chasha chera ani dido gara cheese and shimbu do the tangma khasha sa sa indo ngonzo khala sa sa imba ta khala sa san jok sa uji kha loner Europe country the mang chagu ketchup the mayo the pesha te go yawa handa de the sang te zigdo hawre the sang te zigu do re Google china the sang te syapu do jem do the khala saiba ani khonzo khala yang the fries yung do and french fries yam do ketchup the mayo chikte the lemba dila charge is the this is something new the McDonald's the peshite do the deal sagam bulai big charge loga resha let's say thaga share shigo samso bye bye the building this finger fruit looks so pretty. Pesto, let me take this one first. Describe the food.
This is guacamole with shrimp, blue cheese, white cheese, beetroot, paprika. Okay, guys, try this. Then this is local prosecutor.
Oh, which one is local? This one?
This
okay,
one.
let me try this one.
Yeah,
thank you.
No,
There's a shrimp on the top. How can it be the shrimp?
Guacamole with Serbian food. Oh, yeah.
This is traditional Serbian food?
Yeah.
This is like a kebab.
Mixture of beef and pork.
Oh, beef and pork.
Yeah.
Thank you.